Who viewed your Instagram profile, unfollowed you or blocked you in 2021. That's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video. So let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do is you have to firstly go to your Play Store app and then search for this app. Here you can see the followers plus reports for IG. When you search for this app, you have to install this app with this icon. And when you open this app, then it looks like this and then you have to click on the login with Instagram, and here you have to fill in your username password. So firstly you have to enter your login information. Entering the login information, you have to click on the login, and it will login into your account. So you can click on the save info or not now, and then here you can see it is loading. When you open this account, login into your, then it will look like this interface. Then you can see the in the upper in the most upper page, upper of this page, you can see your username and your profile picture. And in the followers status tab, when you scroll down, here you can see who viewed my profile. You can see all these so you can see new followers, you can see the unfollowers, you can see who blocked me, you can see not following me back, I'm not following me back. So you can see all these accounts. So that's basically it, that how you can see all these things, who followed you, blocked you, or see your Instagram profile. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. Have a good day.